Welcome back to Julianastation, everyone. Today, we're going to make a delicious and creamy Karak Chai right at home, just like you'd find at your favorite Dubai street side cafe. First, let's get our pot on the stove and add about 350 milliliters of water. Next, we'll add our spices. Start with 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and a small piece of fresh ginger. Now, it's time for the sugar. I add 2 teaspoons, adjust sugar accordingly. Now add the tea. You'll need about 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. Add this to the simmering water, and let it steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. The longer you let it brew, the richer the flavor will be. Now, to make this Karak Chai extra creamy and smooth, we're going to add evaporated milk. About half a cup should do the trick. This will give our chai that rich, silky texture you know and love. Let everything simmer together for another 2 to 3 minutes. These spices will give our Karak Chai that signature warmth and depth of flavor. Bring the water to a gentle boil. Once it's boiling, lower the heat to simmer for about 5 minutes. This is when all those aromatic spices infuse into the water. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious new recipe. And voila! Your homemade Karak Chai is ready to be poured into your favorite cup. Use a strainer to filter the spices and the tea leaves. Look at that color and texture. It's so creamy and smooth. Now, this is the perfect way to enjoy Karak Chai at home, whether it's for a cozy morning, an afternoon treat, or simply when you're craving something sweet and spicy. But wait, we're not done yet. If you're in the mood for something a bit different, let's turn this Karak Chai into an iced version. Start by adding ice cubes to a tall tumbler. Pour your freshly brewed Karak Chai over the ice, filling it about 3/4 of the way. To make it even creamier, top it off with some fresh milk. This will give it that milkier, smoother texture, perfect for a refreshing iced Karak Chai. And there you have it, a cool, creamy iced Karak Chai. Thanks for watching. See you next time.